Come on, be careful ha. You can hit the car ha. Just push. Be careful. Be careful, can hit the Con Mary ha. Be careful, Mary.
I went to the wall.
Come on, be careful.
Joshua.
Just be careful, Joshua. Come on. Be careful. Stop lagi. Mary, stop hitting. Stop hitting. Ang gigil ako sa iyo.
It was like this.
Come on, Joshua, over here.
Well, you so smacked me.
Over here. Come on, we have that one. We will put in. Habang bata, paturuan talaga mga bata paano mag-ano. Go.
Joshua, stop scraping it.
Don't scrape. Joshua. Over there, oh.
Where?
Over here, come here. Joshua, over here. Do not scrape it because you're gonna damage that one.
Mom, stop.
There. Come on, Mary.
You just scared.
Matuto magtrabaho. No, you have your gloves. Pick with your hands.
Yes.
Stop.
Pick with your
Get out, Mary. Pick with your hands, Mary.
I know.
Good job, Joshua. Good job. Slowly, Mary. Don't make it out. Slowly, yan. Talaga. Nagigil ako sa'yo. This is not a game. Work it. Just over here. Joshua. Just over here. Talaga siya button. Get it out the bed. Here. Do like this. Come on. Okay. Pick it up. Pick it up. Joshua. Mommy, remove this with yesterday. No. No, it's your turn. Going to the garbage.
Okay, then I get the shovel.
No, leave the shovel here. Come on.
Wait, can I jump?
No.
Stop.
Let your sister stop it, Joshua. Come over there in the garbage.
Uh-oh.
I know what to do with this. I will drop this. Mom.
Put it down. That's dangerous. Come here. Come here.
Break.
I don't know.
Joshua, can you get the kuanak? Shovel. Get the shovel, please. Get the shovel, please. Hurry up. Come here. Dapat matuto to sila eh. Come on. Give mommy. Give mommy. Hold this for mommy. Hold this for mommy. Hold this for mommy.
No, Mom.
Hold this
I'm
for...
gonna make it dirty. Yeah.
Over here. Come here, ate. Charles, remove your car over here.
Vinyate. Ah!
Yeah. Can you go to your father? Tell him to remove his car.
Oh!
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. God. He need to remove his car here. We're gonna hit his car. 1 second. 1 second. Hold this. Hold this for mommy. Hold
It's
it.
okay.
Hold this for mommy.
You want your screen dirty?
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Go. I'm gonna hold this. Careful. Close your eyes, ah.
Okay, now Mommy's gonna have to take a shower.
Oh my God, she's going to take a shower. Wala pa gani may mga lahati. Ang garbage. Kaning yung sakyanan, lami kini. Nako, nanggigil talaga ako. Nagkuhan talaga. Kuha na, nabili ng inahan. Mag-shower ng duha.